Hey everyone, welcome back to Fashionframe, and my name is Tara. Today we're gonna learn how to add a mirror to the clo3d scene. Even if you are a beginner, you can follow along this tutorial because it's a beginner friendly one. So let's dive in. Okay, I've opened this project. I've recently uploaded its tutorial on this channel so you can understand the process better. First of all, I will use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle like this. And now I will add a fabric and I change the name so you can differentiate it better. Change the garment rendering style to textured surface. Apply this fabric to the rectangle. Select the rectangle and right-click on it. So you can use Move to Ground Center to bring it down to the ground. Now we need to make it flipped. So right-click and use Flip Vertically. This is the back side of the pattern and this one is the front side. So you can use the gizmo to change the location. When you're done with relocating it, you can bring the garment rendering style back to thick textured surface. And select the pattern again. Change the rendering thickness and increase it to 20. As you can see, it looks much thicker. Now we're gonna create its frame, so we should use internal rectangle, and I want these sizes. So I can hit OK. We should reposition it, and as it's selected, right-click on it and use Cut and Sew. Take a copy of this fabric and we're gonna apply it on the frame. Select the fabric of the mirror and on the Property Editor window, change the type of it to a metal one. And I want to change the other fabric's type too. Select the frame and increase the rendering thickness of it because it's a frame and it should be thicker. Select this fabric again. On the Property Editor window, reflection part, decrease roughness to 0. Now we're going to the render window to make some extra changes. From Render Properties window, change the light quality to the very high quality. We need to do the same for the material quality too. Now I'm done and I can refresh the rendering view. Okay, this is the result, guys. And also, if you want to learn this digital smocking technique, you can check the link will appear on the screen. Thanks for watching. I see you soon.